Hey guys, welcome back to Lumen Detailing, the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cleaning up my friend's C63. We just came back from Helen, Georgia. Obviously this is an older video because this was when we got back, I believe on Wednesday or so. So the car's pretty filthy. We're going to get it cleaned up. We ceramic coated this a year ago, so I guess I'm just going to do a quick video on what you should do after a year of having your car coated. So unfortunately his wheels are not ceramic coated, so that's why I have to do a lot of cleaning here, especially making sure that the chemicals don't bake onto the satin black wheels, but also making sure that it's clean. So it's a hard balance of like speed and like attention to detail, which can be pretty difficult, but once you do it a lot, man, yeah, you're gonna get pretty used to it. And this is also a good example of why you should ceramic coat your wheels if you care about them, because not everyone's gonna want to clean their wheels this fully detailed all the time. So because it takes a while for each wheel, so if you don't want to do this process every single time you clean your wheels, then just get them ceramic coated. It's not that expensive. You can even do it yourself if you want to. I have videos on how to do that. I'll try to link it somewhere down below so you can see how easy it is. All you gotta do is order the bottle from carpro-us.com, and yeah, you'll be set. They have like a whole kit, so you can do it at your house and learn how to do it yourself. Save yourself some money. So like I said, we're doing a annual, maintenance on this car that we coated a year ago. So because the car is well maintained, he did wash it periodically. He rarely drove it. We're gonna do an Iron X decon wash, and that's just gonna help remove all those iron contaminants, and then a wash in the 2-bucket method using CarPro Reset. So as you can see, with proper application and proper maintenance on a ceramic coating, it holds up very, very well. So I'm trying to show here that there's no dead spots. Everything's still working as it should. And so we're just doing an Iron X snow foam decontamination. So spray this on the car, wait a few minutes, and then spray it off, and then do your contact wash. And I just want to say, weekends like this are just what I live for, man. Just the friends hanging out, just homies at the house, hanging out, washing cars, talking about cars, researching cars. Just, it's pretty cool that I'm able to experience this and share it with the people that watch the videos. I think that's pretty cool too. So that whoever has subscribed since day one or till today, thanks for joining this wild ride of detailing. when it comes to drying a black car or a dark colored car in the sun, man, you gotta work quick. So Rodrigo was able to help me do the towel drying portion while I did the blow drying portion. And the way we did this was essentially he would follow me around and get the excess water, and wherever he goes I blow out any water that he may have missed. I don't know if that makes sense, but to me it does. So yeah, rewind it if it didn't. Alright, the car is all done. We haven't done the topper because it is hot as outside, and you don't want to apply it on hot paint because it's going to stain it and bake it. Especially on a black car, it's going to be super obvious. So we're going to wait till I can get this inside the garage and then apply some Polish Angel black wolfenite on it and get it looking 100% again. Other than that, it's not that bad. It looks really good still.
You've got your hands on